Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to use auto functions in the Excel sheet as like sum, average, max, minimum and count. So let's start. So this is an example of mark sheets of students so that we can calculate the marks of an individual student. So there is a student name and some ID and some subject. Bangla, English, Mathematics and ICT. So I want to calculate all the marks of an individual student. So how can I calculate? I can calculate in manually. So I have to select these cells and just press equal from your keyboard and then write sum from your computer, and you can see the function of sum. Just double click here and select the range, that means from Bangla to ICT. So what is the range? E9 to H9, and close the first bracket, just press the enter. So total marks is 287, and we can use another way. Just click here insert function, and then you can see the sum functions of these like count, maximum, sum, weekday, average. So I have to select sum and then click OK. Now select the range. What is the range? From this number to this number, that means range E10 to H10, and click OK. So result is 259. So when you put in formula in any cell, if you want to change any value like 85 to 67, result is automatically changes. So this is the advantage of this formula. So now I just drag down so that all result is calculated automatically. So this is the total marks of these students. So now I want to calculate the average marks of an individual student. How can I calculate? I can calculate this total marks divided by 4. There is a 4 subject. So Bangla, English, Mathematics, ICT. So I can calculate, just press equal and this cell reference divided by 4 subjects. So I can put 4 and then press enter. So that average is calculated, or you can calculate manually. So how can you calculate? You just press equal and then write average and then select the cell reference, so E10 to S10, and close the first bracket and then press enter. Or you can calculate by using another way from auto functions. So you can select the cells and go to the in home tab and there is the auto sum, or you can go to the formula bar and there is auto sum, and I have to calculate in average. And what is the range? J9 to J10, but this is not the correct reference, so I have to put in correct reference and then press E11 to S11 and then press enter. So that average is automatic calculated. So I just now drag down so that all result is automatic calculated. So now I want to calculate the what is the max number for Bangla. So how can I calculate? Again, just you can calculate from this function, or you can use this function. There is a max. So okay, select max, and this cell reference is auto selected, that means E9 to E18, but there is no value. That's why I just drag down the cell reference E9 to A17 and press enter. So max is auto calculated, or you can write it manually. Just press equal and then again write max, and there is max function is coming, and then select the cell reference and close the first bracket and press enter. So max 87 is the max value for English, and now just drag right so that mathematics 85 is highest value, that means max value for mathematics, and 80 is max value for ICT. So now I want to find out what is the mean value for Bangla. So press equal and just write mean, there is a mean function coming, and let's select the cell reference. That means E9 to E17. Close the first bracket and press the enter, and just drag and write so that all result is automatically calculated. Just for checking, you have to double click, then you can see the what is the cell reference, Z9 to Z17. So is it okay? Now I want to count how many values for Bangla. You can use from this auto function, there is count numbers, and you have to put the cell reference, just press enter. So 9 values, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 9 values. So I just drag and write. So in this way you can calculate total marks, average marks, maximum, minimum, and count. If any value is changes, like 75 to 87, so all result is automatically changes. There is total marks changes, average marks changes, and maximum value changes. So that is the beauty of auto function. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.